You are the foundation of what is to come. Welcome to another video, you all. If you are listening, watching this episode, you are here because you are a life path number 4. Welcome to this video, and I hope that this video gives you some type of insight on who you are as a life path number 4. Thank you for your presence. So now let's get to it, shall we? Life path number 4 is what I call the practical builder. Life path number 4, you are here to build the foundations of something. You are the foundational person who is very a key component to building things in the future. Whether it be communities, businesses, whatever it may be, you are the foundation of what is to come. Your tacticalness, your boldness, your logical mind allows you to be able to build the foundations on whatever is it that you want to build. Life path number 4 is also as well the person who is good at leadership. Great at leadership. Life path number 4, you are here to shake things up, to be different. There's ways and methods that other people are not going to understand, but it's okay because you're here to build something. You're here to do something different. You are here to do things that no one else has ever done. So some of these ways may be unorthodox. These people with life path number 4 are most likely to be ones who like to be in legal systems, lawyers, those type of persons who likes to get out there and express themselves and debate others. Life path number 4 loves to debate and challenge people, challenge authority, and get things done. So this is the person who is the leading force behind any powerful brand. So go out there and be the one that you are destined to be, to break the mold and shake things up. Life path number 4, they can be stubborn. They can be the person who's really in their head so much that they don't want to hear listen to anybody else. But life path number 4, there's pros and there's cons with this. There's a way that you could balance this out is to hear others out. It's not only your opinion matters. There's other people that are here to help you build your community. So listen to them. Also, listen to your intuition. Life path number 4 is not afraid of getting dirty and getting in there and doing the job that is needed to be done to establish themselves, establish their business, establish their community, establish whatever is it that they want to make happen. They could use this for their benefit. Life path number 4 is the researcher. Life path number 4 would not leave no stone unturned. They are the one who is going to seek knowledge, is going to find out the truth no matter what. And they will form their own beliefs in which is best and suited for them. They are able to see opportunities clear. They are also the ones who can pivot quickly. They're great with ideas. So if you enjoyed this video, type number 4 in the comments and let me know what is it that you like about being the life path number 4. The practical builder. Until next time, y'all. Ashe.